The Aircall Metrics Dashboard is a powerful tool created to help managers to track a variety of individual and team call metrics in Salesforce. The dashboard displays 18 out-of-the-box reports based on call data that Aircall logs into Salesforce. While the reports used in the dashboard were carefully created to accommodate both a sales and support use case, you may wish to customize some of the reports to better fit your business needs. Instead of building a whole new report, it's possible you may just need to adjust an existing element of the dashboard. Let's look at how you can do this. Using the call distribution by agent report as an example, let's imagine I am an inbound support manager. I want to see the total inbound call distribution by phone number as opposed to total call distribution by agent. All I need to do is slightly manipulate the existing report to replace the agent with the Aircall phone number and to filter it to inbound calls only. Click on View Report to open it, and then click Edit. This will open the report builder. Once in here, we just have to make two slight adjustments. The first adjustment we will make is in the filters. As previously mentioned, we would like to only look at inbound calls, and the report is currently showing all call directions. The direction of the call is found in the call type field, so simply search for call type in the search bar. Then select Equals and select Inbound. Click Apply. Back in the Outline tab, we now just have to switch the assigned field out for the Aircall number. In the Group Rows search bar, search and select Number Name, which is the field used to store the name of the Aircall number. Then remove the assigned field by clicking on the X icon. We now have to organize the chart that is used in the dashboard. We want it as a stacked column graph, as we want to see the different types of inbound calls, such as inbound answered, missed, or voicemails. Clicking on the Chart Properties cog icon, I select Stacked Column. On my X-axis, I have my number name field. On my Y-axis, I have a record count. I then select Detailed Type to stack by. Returning to the Report Builder view, by clicking on Refresh, I can see a preview of my stacked column graph. Before clicking on Run, I update the name of my report to Inbound Call Distribution by Number. This name will be displayed in the Aircall Metrics Dashboard. To see the report in its completed form, click on Run. Here, I have all my support numbers and a record count of how many calls have taken place on each number, and then further broken down by the inbound call type. Hovering over the block will tell me what percentage each call type is in my total record count. Once you've confirmed that the structure of the report is correct, return to the Report Builder view by clicking on Edit. Click on Save and Run, which will activate the report. Returning back to the Aircall Metrics Dashboard, we need to add the new report back into the dashboard in its updated form. Click on Edit, and then Add Widget. Select Chart or Table, which will open up the list of reports. I select my inbound call distribution by number report, and select the option Use Chart Settings from Report. This means my stacked column graph that I configured in the Report Builder is applied here. Click on Add. Scrolling down to where we began, where my call distribution by agent report originally was, I can remove this by clicking on the X icon. I can then drag and drop my new report in its place, or anywhere else on the dashboard page. Click on Save once you are happy with the view. This is just one example of how you can customize the Aircall Metrics Dashboard to see the data that is most relevant to you and your business goals.